Welcome to Tungu Kids! Come with Mommy to the garden, flowers smiling, hip hooray! Gloves are on, ready now, let's start digging! Wow, wow, wow! Dig, dig, dig! Little hole, plant a seed, watch it grow! Tiny seed in the ground, grow, grow, grow all around. Water, water, drop by drop, happy flowers never stop. Pull the weeds, clean the ground, happy garden all around. Little tree, stand up tall, grow so big for us all. Waterfalls, drink little tree, grow up strong, happy me. Butterflies fly, so up high, wave hello, bye-bye sky. Ladybug, hello, walk so slow, tiny friend, love you so. Red tomato, pick with care, in the basket, yay, we share. Pull the carrot, 1, 2, 3, big and crunchy, yummy for me. Basket full, veggies bright, healthy food, feels so right. Fill the flowers, sweet today. Happy garden, hip hooray! The pot, red and blue, pretty flowers, just for you. Flower bright today, so beautiful, hip hooray! Flowers bloom bright today, so beautiful, hip hooray! Fill with water, nice and slow, help the flowers grow, grow, grow. Mommy and me, big smiles now. Garden friends, take a bow. Bye garden, see you soon. Grow with love. Flowers bloom. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. See you next time. Learn and have fun.